All right, we're gonna make a fruit and vegetable smoothie. Now, if you look down here, I put the ingredients ahead of time. I have kale, just freshly picked from my garden. That, by the way, is about probably, you crush it in, the idea is a half cup. That's about probably 1.5 servings. And I've got the same amount of spinach here. And I've got some broccoli as well from my garden as well. And I've got, this is just a chunk of ginger, which really helps the digestive tract. And then I have some beets, fresh beets, and about a little over a cup of frozen berries. And the whole idea with this is a great combination of fruits and vegetables. It's basically what you get if you get your 9 servings of fruits and vegetables a day. This does it right here. So high in vitamins and nutrients and roughage, just absolutely just cannot get any healthier than this. This is one thing that pretty much every nutritionist on the globe agrees with. We need more fresh fruits and vegetables. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm just going to basically make it bite size. That ginger is an added touch. The beets, that spinach, the broccoli. By the way, spinach, broccoli, and kale doesn't have a lot of flavor. Kale a little bit more, but what offsets it is the berries, fruits, and especially the strawberries and blackberries, but especially those raspberries and boysenberries. And then I'm going to add some apple juice to it. And I go usually about 1 part apple juice because I don't want it too sweet, and 1 part water. And really, based on how I like mine pretty thin. If you like it thicker, then you do it thicker. And then we take it over here and we turn it on and we blend it on high. Go. A vegetable fruit smoothie. Oh, so good. Cheers.